Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience.
Hi everyone, today we have with us Kameron Kilchrist, who is a postdoctoral research fellow at Janssen Research and Development in California. Hi Kameron, how are you today?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing well.
Wonderful, let's begin. Could you explain your research to us in super simple words?
Sure. So I am a biomedical engineer by training, and I'm really interested in ways that we can use the understanding that we have of scientific processes at every scale, from molecular interactions to proteins to organelles to cells to tissues to entire organisms, and how those interact. And specifically ways that we can use that understanding to improve human health, mainly by making new medicines for diseases.
Okay. Wow,
So
that sounds super cool.
Yeah, thank you. It's a long process. I'm not quite to the point where we're really making impact yet, but that's research, right?
Right, you're working towards it.
Exactly. You have to set a lofty goal, and if you're lucky, 10 years later, you look back and you realize what you've accomplished.
Right. Oh, awesome. Cool. So, what can the followers expect in the week that you would curate the Real Scientist Nano account?
Sure. So we'll be talking about all sorts of things. I'm really interested to learn about the followers of the account, first of all. So I'll be introducing myself, talking about my academic journey and how I got to where I am today. I'll be talking about some of my interests, including intracellular drug delivery, some different ways that we've used nanoparticles in the past to enable intracellular drug delivery. I'm really interested in those novel therapeutic modalities, so ways that we can use smarter and more engineered, more complex medicines, not just a single small molecule, but nanoscale assemblies or very large molecules. And at that point, you're really thinking about them on the nanoscale, not even on a molecular level, but really, these are large structures that are large enough that they're interacting with themselves and with things around them. Then I'll be talking about some sort of my perspective as an engineer in a biologist world. I work for a pharmaceutical company, so I have a slightly unique background compared to the people around me. I'm really interested in learning about what the followers want out of their careers, and maybe seeing if I have anything that I can contribute to their thinking on that. And then, I'll just be available for questions along the way.
Okay, wonderful. Sounds like a very, very action-packed and structured week. Wonderful.
Yeah, I can't wait.
We are looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.